Hi, my name is David from Startup Mentors. You are welcome to our official YouTube channel. In this channel, we are dedicated to bring to you businesses that can take you from one level of profitability to another. Over the past 8 years, we have shown people how to profit online through internet businesses that they can start from ground zero to the higher level without having stress. All right, and we are here to help you to make an effortless, stress-free business decision that can take your business from this level to a greater level. We are going to be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can start your business from your home, from your phone, your laptop, what kind of businesses you can start. We teach from e-commerce to digital marketing. Anything e-commerce and digital marketing, we got your back. All right, in this channel, we entertain, educate, and give you informations that will help you, valuably loaded contents that can take you from this level to a greater level of your business. All right, expect to see videos on digital marketing, how to sell courses online, how to build funnels that can help you sell your courses, the tools and the right strategy you can use to sell your courses, build your email list, the kind of email list tools, and e-commerce. On e-commerce, we are teaching you how to start, the kind of product to sell, the kind of system to arrange, the kind of funnel to use for your e-commerce business, and also will open you up to a lot of tools, services, and influences that can help you grow your market. And we also teach marketing, full-time marketing. So don't remember to hit the subscribe button, to click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that whenever our video comes out, you will be the first to know. And also, if you want to reach us and you want to communicate with us for sponsorship, adverts, and the rest, you can also call us on 08027582991, or you can email us on info@kadainformationnetwork.com.ng. See you in the video.